Talk about an eye catcher. Guys, this customer only paid $1 for their first detail job. Hi guys, I'm Thomas Till, owner and founder of Bespoke Automotive Refinement. We are Kansas City's premier mobile detailing service. I started out detailing cars when I was in high school. It actually was a punishment. These were supposed to be the most minute and basic detail jobs. I perfected the paint, I perfected the interiors. Total waste of my time because I was literally just supposed to wash these cars. And it was the first time in my life I ever experienced being obsessed with something. So that led to Bespoke Automotive Refinement. So I've been detailing cars now for over 15 years. I can tell you that I've learned so many different things about paint correction, ceramic coating, the most efficient way to clean a car, the most efficient way to clean a car on a reoccurring basis. Guys, if you're interested in booking any of our services or having us quote one of your vehicles for you, give us a call at 620-282-0402 and go to BespokeRefinement.com. Check out all of the vehicles that we've worked on. We have awesome before and after photos. If you want to look at some of the cool exotic cars and hypercars and classic cars I've gotten to work on over the years, they're also on our website, on our gallery. And if you want to book with us, give me a call and we can get you on the schedule today.